Meaning of gas station.
Gas station.
Gas station.
Gas station.
Gas station. A gas station, also known as a petrol station or fuel station, is a facility that sells fuel and lubricants for vehicles. Usually, gas stations also provide other services, such as car washes, convenience stores, and ATM machines. The primary fuel sold at gas stations is gasoline, but some also sell diesel and alternative fuels like ethanol and electric charging stations. Gas stations are essential for drivers who need to refuel their vehicles while on the road or in their local area. They can be found in various locations, including highways, cities, and rural areas.